Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. We are back with a new topic to help you out of your financial crises. Today, we are going to discuss online payday loan lenders. If you find yourself in a serious financial crisis and urgently need money until your next paycheck, then online payday loan lenders can be a game changer for your financial situation. These loans are typically provided to you during your financial crisis, and you need to pay back the money in the upcoming paycheck with interest. However, choosing the right loan lending platform might be a bit of a hassle for you. Top 5 online payday loan lenders. To expedite your research process, we have handpicked the 5 best online payday lenders for you to choose from. Here are our top picks of online payday loan lenders. Vyver Payday Loans. The first one is Vyver Payday Loans. They are known for fast and easy access to loans, which is perfect for those in a tight spot and need immediate money. Vyver Payday Loans offers a range of loan amounts from $100 to $5,000, with interest rates ranging between 5.99% to 35.99%, making it the best option for every type of financial seeker. One of the standout features of Vyver Payday Loans is the quick application process, making it accessible even for those without any credit history. However, to qualify for Vyver Payday Loans, you need to be above the age of 18 years and have a steady income source. Big Buck Loans. Next, we have Big Buck Loans. They specialize in loans for people with bad credit. They offer loan amounts ranging from $100 to $5,000 with competitive rates. Big Buck Loans is a great option for those with less than perfect credit scores. They have a straightforward online approval process. However, the loan amounts are capped at $5,000, which might not meet everyone's needs, so make sure that your loan amount is set according to your needs. Low Credit Finance. Moving on, we have the Low Credit Finance lending platform. This lending platform offers a broad range of loan amounts, from $100 to $50,000, making it suitable for both small and same-day loans with flexible terms. However, higher loan amounts may come with tougher eligibility criteria. To get the loan amounts from the low credit finance lenders, one needs to have a steady monthly income of over $1,000, a US bank account, and be above the age of 18 years. If you meet these eligibility criteria, you can easily apply for loans at Low Credit Finance. Heart Paydays. Moving on, we have the Heart Payday loan lending platform. It is one of the top choices for different types of borrowers who want to have predictable payment plans. Heart Payday loan lenders have loan amounts ranging from $100 to $5,000, and the interest rates will be between 5.99% and 35.99%. They offer a great deal of flexibility in terms of prepayment. Also, the Heart Payday lending platform excels in processing payday loans and same-day loans with quick approvals. However, some loans might have eligibility requirements based on your credit history. To qualify, you need to match their eligibility criteria, or you won't be able to get loans from the Heart Payday lending platform. Jungle Finance. Finally, in our list, we have Jungle Finance. It is ideal for individuals who need fast processing and approval for their loans. They provide loans ranging from $100 to $5,000, with annual interest rates ranging from 5.99% to 35.99%. Jungle Finance simplifies the application process for loan lending, making it great for urgent financial needs. It can also be the best choice for people with bad credit. However, the loan amounts are limited to $5,000. The eligibility requirements to apply for a loan at Jungle Finance include being above the age of 18 years old and having a minimum monthly income of $1,000. How to apply for an online payday loan. The application process to apply for online payday loans at the lending platforms is pretty easy. Here is how you should start applying for an online payday loan. First and foremost, assess your present financial situation. Know what kind of financial care you are in and what type of money can save you from misery. Next, assess all of your documents and your monthly income to find out what type of amount you can get from the market and have clear goals on what kind of amount you can apply for and what kind of interest rates you can afford. This is the most important part of all. It is very important to choose the right kind of lending platform, making sure that the lending platform aligns with your financial needs and requirements. Go to the lending platform you have chosen and apply for your required loan amount, and you are done. You will be connected with a lender, and you both agree to an agreement. Once you sign the agreement, within 24 hours, the loan amount will be credited to your bank account. Conclusion. To wrap the video up, if you are in a serious financial crisis, then payday loan lending platforms can be a great help to you in getting you out of the financial crisis and giving you the best interest rates. However, make sure to select the right lending platform that can align with your financial needs and requirements. To ease your process, pick the lending platform from our list mentioned in our video. To get the official links of the platform, check out the description. That's it for today's video. See you again in a new one.